Welcome to Anica Soleva Papercraft. I recently got a unique commission, a greeting card with 3 different emojis, a crown, a flip-flop and a heart smiley face. I have no idea what this emoji combination means, but apparently the recipient will know. Still, I found this design very interesting and I wanted to teach you how to make it. Hopefully, you will get inspired to make your own fun emoji greeting card. Thank you for your support. It means so much to me. And don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe and like.